Hello everyone. Here are some tips for international students who dream of pursuing undergraduation or post-graduation courses in the dream colleges of US. Being mom of an international student from India who just graduated, I feel it is my responsibility to share my experience with thousands of Indian students who dream of pursuing undergraduation in one of the better colleges in the US. All Indian students who get accepted in the US universities have to procure an F1 visa, which allows you to study in one of the good colleges in the US in person. The process is simple. You get accepted on the basis of your SAT score and IELTS score. Though there are some colleges that claim that they give admission without SAT, I don't think that it would be wise to enroll yourself in those colleges. You have to have a good record of extracurricular activities as well as social services that you have rendered to the society. Apart from this, you have to have all transcripts, that means mark sheets from your school from 9th standard till 12th standard. After you clear your SAT and your IELTS, you can start applying to different colleges in the US. But keep in mind while applying to different colleges in the US that every application comes with a cost. So first and foremost, you need to do a lot of research on the colleges that you wish to enroll yourselves in, depending on the subject of your choice and, of course, your potential. There's no point applying to colleges where you don't even want to study, applying to colleges where they don't offer the subject of your choice. So, once you have done the Reiki, once you have done the research, you start application. Now, the application procedure is not at all simple. There would be many essays. They give you a questionnaire. Every college gives you a questionnaire wherein you write about yourself, at least 10 to 15 essays projecting what you wish to do, projecting about you as a person, about you as a student. So it is not very simple. You have to write more than 20 essays and you have to repeat it so many times in different forms because every college has a different format. So you need to spend many days thinking about what you are going to write, how you are going to answer the questions. After that, after you have written the essays and you have submitted your application, you need to spend endless nights in anxiety checking your mails for offers from colleges. Then, once you get the offers, once the offers start pouring in, you have to zero in on a few colleges of your choice. You have to check on the websites to see the position of the colleges that you are applying in so that you can make the best choice. After you get an offer, the task becomes even more tough. You need to seek an appointment with the visa office, that is, the US Embassy. You will be given two dates, the first day for biometric and the other day for an in-person visa interview at the embassy. Biometric is very easy. You go to the VHS office, and in Delhi, if you are a resident of Delhi, you go to VHS office. There may be other centers in other parts of India. Since I reside in Delhi, I can tell you about VHS office. And after you are done with your biometric, you have to go for your in-person visa interview. There, You need to speak to one of the visa officers who will ask you a lot many questions. Especially they ask quite a few questions about your financial backing. After you have given them sufficient proof of a good financial standing, they would also ask you questions about your intention of studying in the US. They want to make sure that you will come back after your study in the US. So you have to go give sufficient honest proof of your intention of coming back from US after you have completed your graduation. So you get to know whether you are accepted, whether your visa is approved immediately on the very day of your interview. What after that? You come back happy, expecting your passport to arrive within 7 days. And most of the time, the best part is students with an F1 visa get accepted more often than not. In my next video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to discuss about the next phase in the life of students studying in the US. So don't worry, your questions will definitely be answered. Ciao.